Hi, welcome to a new video. I'm Daisy. Look what I just customized. This beautiful cutting board was engraved in just minutes and straight from my phone. And I made it using a brand new machine that I am so excited to show you. The iEngrave laser machine from LOKLiK, created by the same team behind HTVRONT, known for their innovative crafting tools. So you can already expect the same great quality. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works, what's included, and why I think this is an amazing tool for any craft lover. I'm going to go ahead and start testing it so you can see how it works. Now, if you would like to see what's included in the box and how to assemble it, stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you everything. Let's get started. First, let's remove the safety lock using the included key. Then turn the emergency stop button and press the power button to turn the machine on. Next, connect the blue USB cable to the computer if we want to use it that way. This laser machine is compatible with Laser Garble, Lightburn, LOKLiK Creative Studio for desktop, and LOKLiK mobile app, which is super easy to use and beginners friendly. For this demo, I'll be using my phone. I'll start with a solid wood cutting board. I open the app, connect the machine, press Canvas, then Upload, and select the image I want from the library. Next, I choose Standard Cut. Press Next, and if the design has a background, I remove it with the Magic Wand tool. Once it's ready, I tap Design, and the design is loaded into the LOKLiK Idea Studio canvas. Scroll down and select Canvas Setup. Pick your design and resize it using the arrow in the lower right corner or enter custom dimensions in the sizing bar. Once resized, press Make It. Here, I'll enter my engraving parameters. In this case, it's an engraving task. Scroll down to Mode, choose Fill, and under Processing, select Engrave. Then choose the material. In this case, solid wood. I can engrave it with these automatic parameters, but I am going to increase the power a bit since I want a deeper engraving. Before starting, I'll tap Stroke to check the design aligns correctly with the cutting board. Once it's framed, press Add to Task. You can name the file or just hit Done. Now select the row where your design is located and press the turquoise triangle to start engraving. And here it is, the first engraving. It came out so beautifully. I love how this design looks on the cutting board. It did an excellent job. Now I'm going to do some tests on different materials. First, I'll engrave this design on a piece of 2mm basswood. It turned out beautiful as well. The engraving is deep and well defined. I love it. Next, I'll test cutting on the same 2mm basswood. Also, I'm going to do a scoring. The cut looks great and the scoring was nice and clean too. Now I'll try both, cutting and engraving on 3mm black acrylic. I use the framing feature to make sure the design fits inside the material, and then I start cutting. And here's the finished cut and engraving on 3mm black acrylic. It did a great job cutting and engraving on acrylic. Now we're going to do engraving on leather. Here is the leather engraving. It turned out beautifully and very detailed. I've now tested engraving and cutting on a variety of materials: solid wood, balsa wood, 3mm black acrylic, and leather. This machine can also engrave on many other surfaces like MDF, stone, corrugated cardboard, cardstock, denim, craft paper, bamboo, ceramic, and more. Now that you've seen how the LOKLiK iEngrave works, I'll show you how it was packaged, what comes inside, and how to assemble it step by step. One of the things I love most about this tool is how versatile it is. It lets me engrave and cut on so many different materials, from wood and acrylic to leather and cardstock. Plus, I can work from both my computer and my phone, which makes it super convenient. It fits perfectly into my creative space and inspires me to keep making personalized projects that truly stand out. If you'd like to learn more about this amazing machine, I left the direct link for you in the description below. During the unboxing, I won't be talking. I'll leave you with some relaxing music so you can enjoy the moment. As I finish assembling this incredible machine, I just want to thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope this review helped you get to know the new LOKLiK iEngrave better and see all the creative possibilities it offers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new upcoming tutorials. And if you are thinking about getting your own iEngrave, the link is in the description. Hurry because it's on pre-sale for a limited time. See you very soon with more ideas, more inspiration, and lots of creative energy to keep crafting together.